In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's perspective on ANKR future while talking about ANKR cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, basically remember that you ought to sort of think about this and any genuinely other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything especially is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like ANKR, which in every practical sense, is very critical. Presently, we should head into it amazingly. Before we dive in every practical sense, profound into the ANKR value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that ANKR really is an essentially wise venture or not, for what reason will ANKR succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will ANKR value rise or drop, we should rapidly generally toss a look at what in a real sense is ANKR and its to-date history. ANKR price prediction for the kind of next 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable sort of bear market. Bitcoin in a real sense has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market, all things considered, drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers truly are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous especially play, and thus the offer off, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Our algo still sees a sum genuinely green in 2022, particularly in the truly second piece of the year. This really is fundamentally reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to really find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and essentially alter the course, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will by and large begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and sort of later history, which basically is genuinely critical. Our cost expectation model certainly is negative for the fundamentally next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We generally expect whales and by and large other basically greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess especially are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical genuinely potential, and some other sort of exclusive elements created in our crypto lab in an unpretentious way. ANKR price prediction 2022, which for the most part is very huge. Most of specialists by and large concur that this certainly bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We fundamentally see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, or so they thought. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. Underneath basically is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 20.19% $0. 0274, 2022 November minus 34.05% $0. 0226, 2022 December minus 24.40% $0. 0260, 2023 Jan, which basically is very huge. Minus 25.33% $0. 0256, 2023 February, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Minus 15.30% $0. 0291, 2023 Mar in an unobtrusive manner. Minus 11.56% $0. 0304, 2023 April, which for the most part is very huge. Minus 5.31% $0. 0325, 2023 May. Plus 3.72% $0. 0356, 2023 June, or so they thought. Plus 0.65% $0. 0345, 2023 July in an unpretentious manner. Plus 13.88% $0.0391, or so they sort of thought. 2023 August, which is genuinely huge. Plus 12.44%, $0.0386 in a fundamentally huge manner. 2023 September plus 22.40%, $0.0420 ANKR price prediction 2025, or so they generally thought. Our forecast model sees ANKR coming to $0.0666 in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. What will ANKR be in every way that really matters, worth in 5 years, which by and large is genuinely critical? The cost of ANKR in 5 years could especially lie around $0.0643, or so they in a real sense thought. ANKR price prediction 2030 to 2040. What ANKR will in every practical sense be worth in 2030, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Our anticipating model sees ANKR coming to $0.1665 in 2030, or so they thought. What ANKR will explicitly be genuinely worth in 2040 in a very significant manner. Our estimating model sees ANKR coming to $0.3330 in 2040. Will ANKR truly supplant, for the most part outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin in an unobtrusive manner? No, ANKR won't in a real sense supplant or surpass BTC. Could ANKR at any point reach $10 in an unpretentious manner? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for ANKR to fundamentally reach $10 in the extremely short or midterm period, which generally is very huge. Is ANKR for the most part worth purchasing in an unpretentious manner? We are backers of modestly dangerous money management. Contribute the vast majority of really your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a creative in every practical sense, enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain in an unpretentious manner. Thus, in this specific situation, ANKR generally merits purchasing. Is ANKR an especially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? ANKR is, very much like all exceptionally other cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe venture, or so they thought. It really does for the most part have higher likelihood of going up than down due to the by and large great use case, very much planned tokenomics, sort of dynamic local area and a kind of strong group behind it, which explicitly is very huge. How much will ANKR fundamentally be truly worth in an unobtrusive manner? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0204, or so they explicitly thought. In the truly long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.1665 or much higher, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. For what reason will ANKR fundamentally succeed and get more expensive in an unpretentious manner?